Ryan, what a wild ride it has been from where we started at the fair as kids, where I didn't even know you and I slapped you in the face. I still don't really know why I did that. To becoming best friends in high school, to you wearing me down to go on a date. Now, almost 10 years later, you gifted me with the first perfect son and a life that I could only dream of. You are truly my best friend, my soul, my everything. 10 years, you still give me butterflies when you hold my hand and give me that smile that usually is because he wants something. Still gives me butterflies. Not to mention all the little things you do to make me feel so loved and safe. Like this trip, you brought Nathan's shirt he wore the night before, along with pictures next to my end table, just so he knows I'll miss him. You truly have the biggest heart. And I could go on and on to tell you how special you make me feel every single day. Ryan, I promise to love you, love our family, and take care of you even when you drive me crazy with your colds and your sunburns. What we say to each other every single night for the last 10 years. I love you with all my heart. You're my bestest friend in the entire universe. I love you.
Tori Lee Ike, since the day I met you, I knew I was going to marry you one day. Not only are you my soulmate, you are my best friend, my rock, my foundation, and the mother of my amazing son. You are the kindest, strongest-willed, self-independent woman I've ever met. I vow to always love you, honor you, but not obey, because, I'm not into that type of thing. Seriously, though, I vow to be your rock, someone you could depend on, a shoulder you can cry on, a person you take your anger out on. Always be your loving teddy bear when you need me. From this moment, I take you as my best friend for life. I pledge to honor, encourage, and support you through our walk together. When our ways become difficult, I promise to stand by you and uplift you so that through our union, we can accomplish more than we have ever could alone. I promise to work at our love and always make you a priority in my life. With every beat of my heart, I love you. Tori, I love you with all my heart, and you're my best friend in the whole wide world.
It is my pleasure now to pronounce you husband and wife. Ryan, you may kiss the bride.